Hey guys, welcome to TechGugu. So in today's video, I will show you how to record audio from your USB microphone to straight into your camera. All you need is a USB microphone. So in this case, I'm using Fifine K670 and this important cable. This is male to male 3.5 mm TRS cable, and finally a computer to power your USB microphone. Connect one end of the cable into your microphone like this. The other end goes into your camera like this. Mine is Canon M50 and I'm having this 3.5 mm audio input. And most importantly, your USB microphone should be connected with your computer to get power and work fine with all its necessary audio drivers. So that's it guys, it's that easy. The main use of this setup is to eliminate the voice sync process while editing your video. This saves a lot of time in your post-production work. So hope you find it useful. If you like it, hit the like button. Any questions regarding the setup, let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible.